ठीक है. सो मोडाल वर्बन क्या बोलते हैं? मोडाल वर्बन, मोडाल modal verbs in English, modal verb. Okay, so kyonan means
can.
Okay, then musen
Must.
Very good. Must, or we can say have to. Something is compulsory. Wollen desire.
Want.
It's desire. It shows your desire. ठीक है. Like can show your ability. Like I can do. Ability. I will send this document. Just understand. So I will write here. I can do. I can do this. So ich kann.
Das.
Ich kann das machen. Ich kann. Ich with ich can. Okay, this is the conjugation. Ich kann. This you have to memorize. Okay, I can. Like he can. He can play.
So actually वो जब लिखे हम लोग तो वो इंग्लिश में ऐसा हो गया कि I can this do.
Yes, I don't translate. I can do this. Verb last. This I told you, verb last. This is called verb infinitive last. This yellow color modal verb, second place, another verb, last place, red color. Now he can play cricket. So can, same. Because same. I said can cricket spielen.
Can, yeah, first and third person say.
Can cricket spielen. So here also can, he can.
Spielen, yes.
He can, or another verb is spielen. So that is okay. That's your another verb. ठीक. Spielen is another verb. ठीक. Spielen. ठीक है. This is another verb. Right. Now I must go at 10 a.m. I must go at 10 a.m. So ich muss sehen Uhr. So whatever you write here.
Yeah, gehen last.
Yes, verb last. Modal verb second. This is our modal verb. Modal verb second place. Okay. Modal verb second place. This you have to memorize. Yes.
Gehen. Ich muss sehen Uhr gehen.
Ich muss sehen Uhr gehen. Sehen Uhr gehen.
Sehen Uhr gehen.
So must. Something is must, huh? Like I want to learn German. Okay. So want. Ich will.
Wollen. Ich will. Okay. Ich will Deutsch lernen.
So here will modal verb second. Will means want. Okay.
Want. Yes.
I want. So it shows your desire here. Huh? Desire. I want. Desire. You wish. You want to learn. So ich will Deutsch lernen. So modal verb second. Then another verb last. Okay. Fine. Ich muss Deutsch lernen. Ich muss Deutsch lernen. Clear? Or if you say I want to do Sprachkurs, language, I want to do language course.
Ich will.
Yes.
Machen.
Ich will.
Sprachkurs. Machen.
Machen last.
Machen.
Sprachkurs. So here modal verb second, na? Sprachkurs is a noun. This is your noun, huh? It's your noun.
Sprachkurs.
Ich will Sprachkurs machen. I want to do. Machen means to do.
To do.
So another verb last. I said, huh? Another verb last. Clear है इतना? बताओ.
Yes.
So this is called modal verb. Huh? Modal verb. Second place modal verb. We can also make question. Yeah, nine. Like Kannst du morgen kommen? Kannst du morgen kommen? Can you come tomorrow? Answer. If you say yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
We did na? Yeah, that's great. It's okay. Or if you say no, you can also say no. Na? So, 9 leider nicht. Huh? No, unfortunately not.
No. Okay. Leider nicht.
That is also correct. 9 leider nicht. Like, kannst du order willst du? Do you want? Huh? Let's say willst du. Do you want? Willst du ins Kino gehen? Willst du any day? Tell me any day.
Am Sonntag.
Okay. Willst du am Sonntag ins Kino gehen? I am asking you. So, what do you say?
Ja.
Yeah.
Ja.
Das geht. Or you can say,
Das geht.
yes, good idea. Gute Idee. This is also correct. Huh?
Gute Idee.
Suppose you say no.
Idee.
You do not want. Huh? You do not want. So,
9.
9
Leider nicht.
leider nicht. Okay.
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Just understand. I will send this. So this is also a small dialogue. Kannst du. So here yeah 9 question in dialogue form. This is kannst.
इसमें
Yes.
या गुटन आएगा या गुट आएगा?
Gute. Gute Idee.
गुटे. गुटे आइडे.
Ide. Not
Ide.
ide.
Okay.
I told you write down
Gute.
the pronunciation.
हाँ.
Write the
गुटे ide.
ide.
Yeah. Ide.
D ide. So gute e ending.
गुटे ide.
Then I said possessive. Possessive pronoun. Pronoun क्या होता है? Like my book. Mine book.
And book.
Your car. Thine auto.
My book.
His mother. So
Dein Mutter.
seine
Dein Mutter.
seine because mother is female. Seine. This is e ending.
Yeah.
E ending with female only. If you say my mother, how do you say my mother? My mother. My name.
Mein Mutter. Meine Mutter.
My name. ठीक. Our father.
Our
Unser Vater. ठीक.
unser Vater.
If you say our sister, then
Schwester.
unsere.
Unsere Schwester.
Because female. Got it? This is called possessive.
Yes.
Unsere. E ending. Female with E. Okay. This E ending. So this is called possessive pronoun. What do you say? You speak possessive pronoun.
Possessive pronoun.
Now we frame simple sentence like I continue. My book is teuer. Huh?
Book.
Expensive.
Oh yeah. Expensive.
Now make another auto say. Thine auto.
Das Auto ist schon.
Thine auto is schon. Thine auto. Okay. Next.
Sein Mutter ist klug.
Ist klug. Clever. Okay.
Meine Mutter ist
want in Delhi.
won't
This is also correct. ये भी तो हो
won't
सकता है.
lives.
Huh? Use another verb also. Don't use ist always. You have another verb. Want.
Yeah. Unser Vater. Our father. Und.
Arbeitet. Nicht.
Okay.
Does not work. Huh?
Arbeitet nicht.
Okay. It does not work. Okay.
Our sister. Unsere Schwester.
Lernen Deutsch.
Land Deutsch.
Lernt Deutsch.
Okay, so this is your verb place. Huh? Verb place, you can see after noun. Huh? Always after noun in all the sentences. Huh? Got it? This is
Yes.
sentence with possessive pronoun. Clear? This much?
Yes.
So this you have to revise once again. I will send you. Then we will see you tomorrow.